Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with another advent calendar opening and we did day 7 last time, so we are on to day 8 now. So let's just go right ahead and try to poke this in. The key to doing this is just to poke the top and then fold it back so that you don't rip the whole thing like I was doing at first. And now we got to grab into this foam. And this is hard because I have big fingers. And we have a reindeer with a scarf. It's a very elegant looking reindeer. Look how cute that is. I am so enjoying these keychains. Oh, look. He's got little baubles hanging from his antlers. Oh, this is beautiful. Or she. Alright guys, so I'm going to watch movies while I diamond paint this, and I'll play some music for you. And I'll come back at the end when it's done. I'll see you in a bit. Hey guys, so I started working on this little guy. And it looks like he should have brown antlers, right? But the color that they gave me for that is not really a brown. It's more of like an orange. And it doesn't look that dark when I put it on. Can you see that? So I'm just going in my stash and I'm picking a darker color. So I can't decide between this one, I think that will look good, or this one. They're really close and they're both darker. I think this is the darker one. I don't know if I have any darker ones in my stash. I want it like a brown. I've got this one, but I think that's more like a yellow. I've got this one. I think maybe this one would look really good. And I have this one. Yeah, I think maybe that one. I don't want to go too dark because then it will be much darker than what they said to do in the pattern. But let's try these. That's a really pretty brown. Yeah, so I'm just going to use my stash stuff for the antlers and the hooves on this one. Let me just show you again. This is the color that they wanted me to use, and I just think it's too light. So let's see how this one looks. Yeah, I like that. We're going to go with that one. There's no reason why I can't just change it up. All right, I'll see you at the end. right, guys, we are done with our little glamorous reindeer who looks like she's going to a fashion show. It's adorable. I gave this one a gold keychain because I thought it fit really nicely with the colors. And I used a darker color for the antlers and the hooves than they gave me in the kit, just because I didn't think the colors that were included for this were contrasty enough. They were too similar just to the body. It was just like one shade darker. So I think it came out really nice. I'm really happy with this one. Super cute. All right, guys, that is it for this one. So cute. And I really like that they put the colors on the back you could see through. So even though it's not done in the back, it's still quite cute. All right, so thank you for watching. I hope you liked this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, subscribe, notification bell, all of those good things. And most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, happy crafting, and happy holidays. Merry Christmas, guys. Bye.